How to feed your little monkey. Hungry little monkey wants something to eat. Pop her in the high chair and fetch her favourite treat. Mash up her banana, squish, squash, squish. Serve it with a spoon in her jolly jungle dish. Let her use her fingers, dibble, dabble, dibble. She's hooting funny little hoots. Look at all that dribble. When she grabs the spoon, give a happy clappy cheer. Sometimes it goes in her mouth, but sometimes in her ear. Cheeky monkeys climb down, splat, splat, splat. There's mashed banana everywhere, even on the cat. Wipe down the walls, mop up the floor, change your little monkey's clothes. And then she'll ask for more. Cheeky little monkey says, yum, yum, yummy. Hug your cheeky monkey, but please don't squeeze her tummy.